Wow. I really like this. Oh my gosh, I think I like it more than the perm rods. Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and in this video I'll be unveiling my first ever foam rollers curls. So I curled my hair a couple days ago with these foam rollers. I got them from the 99-cent store, so they were just like $1 a pack. They came in about 8 a pack, so I spent about $4 maybe. I'm not sure how many packs I bought. I bought 4 or 5 packs, and I don't think I used all of them either. But yeah, I'm gonna be taking them down today. I mostly let it air dry. I slept in it. I have fluffy pillows, so it's not too bad for me. And yes, I did go to the gym with my rollers like this. I did run my errands with my rollers like this, and I don't know, I guess the older I get, the more I don't really worry about those types of things. Like, I know me a couple years ago, I would have been too self-conscious to leave the house with rollers in my head. But now, listen, I'm grown, I do what I need to do. So I'll be taking them down now. Like I said, I mostly air dried it, but I also did use my hood attachment with my my blow dryer, so I did get some artificial heat as well. And that's highly recommended with it being winter time. I really do recommend using artificial heat. I know a lot of us are really, pure when it comes to our lock maintenance. I mean, if you live in a colder climate, I do recommend that you use artificial heat to dry your locks thoroughly, because otherwise they may not dry properly and you may end up getting mildew and mold in your hair, and you don't want that. It's gross, it smells bad, and it's unhealthy. It'll cause breakage in the long run as well. So let's get to it. Let's start taking these out. I just hope they're fully dried. It's always that 1 or 2 locks. It's always that little section in the middle that just never dries fully and thoroughly. But I'm hoping that I'm not having this issue this time. And maybe since the rollers are foam, maybe that will help the drying process. I don't know. I never really thought to use foam rollers on locks until I started getting a few comments here and there about people were telling me their favorite or their go-to curl method, and a lot of people said foam rollers, and I'm like, really? Okay. So how am I doing this? Okay. And they're very easy to use. You just roll your locks on them as you would any other roller, pretty much, and it secures with the snap. So it's, yeah, as you can see, my locks kind of squished the foam rollers out of shape. I wonder if they'll bounce back. I may have to wet them. Yeah, here's the first curl. And the size that I used, what did it say on the package? These were called extra large, which I thought it was kind of strange how small they are, but I guess, compared to all the other sizes, it must be the extra large one. But yeah, just snap it out and unroll. Look at how this one is bent into like a hourglass. So far these locks have dried very well. These are the locks in the back, and that's always the case for me because I do the locks in the back first, so they have more time. wow. Wow. Just double checking, making sure I didn't miss any. Wow. This looks really pretty. And I'm not even seeing a mirror right now. I'm just seeing the camera, the playback screen. Wow, this is really pretty. Wow. I really like this. Oh my gosh, I think I like it more than the perm rods. I'll have to try perm rods another time to make sure, because I haven't used perm rods in a while, like all over perm rods in a while. But wow, I really like it. This is really pretty. I'm about to take a bunch of pictures, so stay tuned to my Instagram for pictures. Wow. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.